Our project title is IoT based industrial safety and security monitoring using web application. This is our hardware setup. In this, we used MQ2 gas sensor and DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. MQ2 gas sensor is responsible for detecting combustible gases and smoke. Its detection intensity is about 300 to 10,000 ppm. DHT22 is used for detecting ambient temperature and humidity. Measuring range of temperature is about minus 40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, and humidity is about 0% RH to 99.9% RH. These two sensors send the data through the microcontroller of ESP8266 Node MCU, which has a built-in Wi-Fi module in it. Node MCU is programmed using Arduino IDE. By uploading the code to Node MCU, the sensor readings are displayed in the serial monitor of Arduino IDE. Serial monitor shows gas level, temperature and humidity values of the atmosphere. Then the data will be sent to ThinkSpeak web application using API key provided in the code. API is abbreviated as Application Programming Interface, which is used as a key to interface two software and can use the features and functionalities of one software in the other. Here, Arduino IDE is a software to program a microcontroller and it sends the data to ThinkSpeak web application. Here comes the software part. In ThinkSpeak, first of all, we have to sign into ThinkSpeak using MathWorks account credentials, or we have to create a new account. Then new channel has to be created and the channel is made private. We have to enter all the channel setting values. 3 visualizations are added to the channels to monitor the data in the form of graphs. The 3 numeric display widgets are used to show the present value of the field on the channel view. We can display integer or decimal representation of the numerical values. Widgets generated in the private view of the channel are private. The values of sensor parameters will be stored and displayed in corresponding fields as a graph, like the way the code is written and uploaded in Node MCU. There are many applications in ThinkSpeak apps section for different functions. From those different apps, here we are using React and ThinkHTTP. React app is used to monitor continuously the data feed into the channel, and the upper limit value is given in the React app. The React app will react whenever the data in the channel crosses the upper limit. The React will trigger the ThinkHTTP app. ThinkHTTP is an application used to communicate with the other web applications using the URL provided in that specific application. It sends web requests to IFTTT application we use in this project. IFTTT is a web service provided by a private company which is user-friendly to create reactions to the events in the world. The user has to provide certain information to react for events in IFTTT. There are many services provided by IFTTT. First of all, we have to sign up in IFTTT using either Google account or Facebook account. From those service provided, webhooks is used here to receive the web request sent by the ThinkHTTP of the ThinkSpeak. Webhooks connects the external web applications to IFTTT, and so it reacts to ThinkSpeak data. Then, if webhooks have received the web request, it does the actions given by the user. The both webhooks and the actions provided is saved as an applet in IFTTT. The actions given are Android SMS, notifications, email, VoIP calls, call me bot phone call. For SMS notifications, VoIP calls, call me bot call, the phone number has to be provided to work. The VoIP calls service uses voice over internet protocol to deliver phone call messages through IFTTT app to your mobile device, whether it may be Android or iOS. It is available internationally and is an excellent alternative to the phone call service. In Call Me Bot phone call, we can make free Telegram phone calls when a trigger is fired. A robot will call you and read your message with a real voice, that is TTS, text to speech. This service requires a Telegram app installed in your phone to receive calls. The message given to VoIP calls and Call Me Bot phone call will be spoken when call attended. For email, the Gmail ID has to be provided to receive an email, and we have to give the content which has to be sent in mail. Call Me Bot phone call is to receive a call from Telegram app installed in the mobile phones. VoIP calls will be received as a normal phone call Notifications and Android SMS will be received as the normal message and notifications. Then we have to do documentation of the work in webhooks. There will be a key. It is unique for every applet. Then to trigger an event with an arbitrary JSON payload, there will be the URL generated automatically to make a post or get web request. In that, you should give the event name as same as the webhook's heading given before. JSON is nothing but the outcome of the REST API. REST API is a web service responsible to get or post a web request. We can also test it whether it is giving SMS or any other actions by clicking the test it option. Then we can receive a sample notification to our mobile phone. We have to copy the URL and paste it in the thing HTTP to receive the web request to webhooks. Once the URL is updated, then the applet will be connected. It can be turned off also at any time. Finally, whenever the hardware is connected to ThingSpeak and IFTTT, the alerts will be sent to mobile phones of the authority whenever there is a presence of smoke or rise in temperature. This is how the proposed system works.